Hello everyone, welcome back to Jinamon channel. In today's recipe, I'm sharing with you how to make this tea time snacks, this honey cookies. That's very easy to make, very delicious, very crunchy, and I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. In my mixing bowl, I added in honey, powdered sugar, salt, and flour. I then added in oil, stirred it together till well combined. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So stir till well combined, create a well in the middle, and add in water. Once the water is added, go in with your hands, mix till well combined, and knead the dough for about 5 minutes. You do not want a sticky dough, so please, the water, add it to it little at a time. That's the consistency you're looking for. It should be something like this. It shouldn't be sticky at all. Spread on top with a little bit of oil, cover it with a cling film and let it rest for at least 15 minutes. Go ahead and preheat the oil after 15 minutes. Transfer the dough on your work surface and roll it out. So with the help of my fingertips, I spread it a little bit before going in with the rolling pin. So sprinkle a little bit of flour on it if needed and then roll it again. You're looking for 3 to 4 millimeters, like the thickness. Go in and cut it into smaller pieces with your pizza cutter, or you can use a knife and cut it into smaller pieces. By then your oil should be hot, and go ahead and fry this bad boy. This is very easy and it's very crunchy. I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. So stay close to it, keep turning it until it turns to slightly golden brown. But if you want it more crunchy, let it get to a little bit dark brown, not really dark hair. And that's what you're looking for, guys. When it's done frying, remove it from the oil and bring the excess oil and the paper towel, and you're good to go. Trust me, your kids are going to feel, your kids will love it. Just look at it. Look at this. It calls one cause for the other. You start with one and before you realize it's finished. So guys, look at this. This is very simple, very easy, and I hope you're going to give it a try. Please give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already.